If you manage servers, support remote teams, or run a business, Windows Server 2025 brings powerful updates to remote desktop services, also known as RDS. In this video, we're breaking down what RDS is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for organizations that rely on remote access or centralized app management. Remote desktop services allows you to deliver full Windows desktops or individual applications to users anywhere in the world. Instead of installing and updating software on every individual computer, you install everything once on the server. Users then connect through Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, and they see a desktop or application window that looks like it's running on their device, even though all the processing is happening on the server. This setup saves time, increases security, and makes IT management so much easier. Windows Server 2025 supports both session-based desktops and full virtual desktops. Session-based desktops allow multiple users to share one powerful server while each having their own private session. Virtual desktops, on the other hand, give users a dedicated Windows client experience, which is ideal for workloads that need more customization. RDS in Windows Server 2025 uses different server roles depending on what you need. The session host delivers multi-user desktops and shared applications. The virtualization host supports VDI environments. The connection broker keeps track of user sessions and makes sure users reconnect to the right place. And the remote desktop gateway allows secure connections from outside your network without exposing RDP directly to the internet. You can also enable Remote App, which lets you publish specific applications without giving users access to a full desktop. One important thing to understand is licensing. If you use RDS beyond basic remote administration, you must have Remote Desktop Client Access licenses, also called RDS CALs, for each user or device that connects. This ensures your setup is compliant and fully supported. Remote desktop services can be deployed on premises, in the cloud using virtual machines, or in a hybrid setup. This flexibility makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small teams needing simple app access to large organizations managing hundreds of remote users. If this breakdown of Windows Server 2025 remote desktop services helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.